Hi guys, welcome back to HGDev. In today's video we're gonna learn how to install and run Kafka in Windows and use it in Spring Boot. But let me first explain what is Kafka. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform that is widely used for building real-time data pipelines and streaming applications. It is designed to handle high volumes of data in a fault-tolerant and scalable way. The first step is to download and install Kafka on your machine from kafka.apache.org/downloads. To do this, you need to download the Kafka binaries and extract them to a directory of your choice. Once you have installed Kafka, we need now to editing the environment variable and setting path for Kafka. First we need to enter to the directory Kafka, then bin and copy the URL. The first step is to click on the Start menu and search for Edit the System Environment Variables. Once you find it, click on it to open the System Properties window. From there, click in the Environment Variables button. In the Environment Variables window, you will see two sections, User Variables and System Variables. We need to focus on the System Variables section, so scroll down until you find the Path variable and click on the Edit button. In the Edit Environment Variable window, you will see a list of paths separated by semicolons. To add a new path, click on the New button and paste the URL. Once you're done, click on the OK button to save your change. It's important to set the environment variables correctly because they provide your system with important information about the location of key files and programs. Now we're going to navigate to the Kafka directory and open the Windows folder, then open it on the CMD. These are commands used in Apache Kafka, and I'm going to explain each command. This command starts the Zookeeper server, which is used by Kafka to manage and coordinate the brokers in the Kafka cluster. The zookeeper.properties file contains the configuration for the Zookeeper server. Now open a new Windows CMD and enter the second command. This command starts the Kafka broker, which is the core component of the Kafka platform. The server.properties file contains the configuration for the broker, including things like the broker ID, port number, and log directory. Now open a new Windows CMD and open this command. This command creates a new topic in the Kafka cluster called My Topic. In this example that I already created, you can call it whatever you want. The Bootstrap server option specifies the address of the Kafka broker to use, and the replication factor and partitions options specify the number of replicas and partitions to use for the topic. Now this command starts a console-based producer that allows you to publish messages to the My Topic topic. The broker list option specifies the address of the Kafka broker to use. And the last command is to start a console-based consumer that allows you to read messages from the My Topic topic. The Bootstrap server option specifies the address of the Kafka broker to use. And the From Beginning option specifies that the consumer should start reading messages from the beginning of the topic, and this all the last messages. Now moving to Spring Boot, we're going to test Kafka in simple example. Here the @AutoWired annotation is used to inject an instance of the Kafka template class into the Spring Boot controller. The Kafka template is a class provided by the Spring Kafka library, and it provides an easy-to-use interface for producing messages to a Kafka topic. And make sure to import it. But first you're going to install Kafka into your Spring Boot project. The END message method takes a message as an argument and uses the Kafka template.send method to publish the message to the My Topic Kafka topic. The send method takes the name of the topic as the first argument and the message to send as the second argument. In the create product Method: the controller receives a post request to create a new product. The method first saves the new product to a database by calling product-repository.save product. And then it sends a message to a Kafka topic by calling the endMessage method with the message product created, followed by the name of the saved product. Same for the other methods like edit and delete. In application.properties, don't forget to add the address of the Kafka broker that the producer should use to send messages. In this case, the broker is located at localhost 9092. Now, let's take a look at a preview of an example we'll be using. We'll be using Postman to add a new product and see the Kafka tracking message. This will show us a live stream of the message that Kafka sends when a product is created. The message will contain the words product created followed by the name of the product. This will give us a clear idea of how Kafka is working in our Spring Boot application. Now we'll see how Kafka tracking message works in the context of editing and deleting products from the frontend using Angular. This will give us a better understanding of how it can help us track and manage data effectively. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. In the next video, we'll be talking about WebSocket and how to use them with examples. We'll explore the features of WebSockets and show you how to implement them in your own applications. So, stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you soon.